In this video, I'll show you how to update phone number on Roadie driver. If you're not yet signed up with Roadie or other gig platforms, we'll include helpful links in the description below. To start, open the website drive.roadie.com, then enter your email address and password on the field provided. Once entered, click on Sign In. A 6-digit code will be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it on the field provided. Then click on Submit. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Scroll down a little. Then, you will see a section for My Account. Under My Account is an option that says Email and Phone. Click on Email and Phone. On this page, you will see a section for your mobile number. Select the currently saved phone number, then type in the new phone number you wish to use. Once entered, click on Save. That's how you update your phone number on Roadie driver. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.